if you've got some of these Sentricon or whatever brand termite bait stations, want to replace the wood on them periodically, you know, as they get rotted and or eaten by termites. When you buy these replacement wood inserts, they're just ridiculously priced. I think over $1 a piece. I mean, it's just silly. So I was just gonna show you how I make a bunch of them pretty quickly and save a lot of money. These look like pine to me. White pine, maybe yellow pine. I've got a yellow pine 2x6. If you've got a table saw, or if you've got more time and some hand tools, you can just take this guy, set it up. So you're cutting that width, and set your blade above the 2x6. I'm just going to buzz strips of this off, as many as I, feel like doing at the moment. I'll make a pile of them for next year or whenever they last. I've got some that have been in there for 5 or 6 years. I really don't. I can't imagine they're not appetizing to termites at this point, so I may continue to use them regardless. So cut strips. I'm going to make a few of those right now. Once you've got the height for all of them, just going to set the guard for about the width of the new piece. You're going to run all your strips down through it. Now we've got a bunch. We're going to take them over to the miter saw, cut them down to length, and that's it. I'm just going to take these, make a mark on my saw with a pencil. Now I can just buzz a bunch of these guys off. And that's it, real quick. So that's an original. It's one of the ones I made. Not much better use for a 16-inch long piece of scrap pine. You're just gonna take those guys, load them up, and drop them in. Put your cap back on your bait stations, and that's it. So, real easy. Saved, I don't even count these, at least 30 or 40 bucks worth of wood, probably more, if you're ordering them plus shipping. So, anyway, hope that helps some of y'all. Like and subscribe if it helps you out, and have a good one.